So let me show you how to change the screen timeout period of your Galaxy Z Flip 7. So that's basically the amount of time it takes for your screen to stay idle before it automatically dims and potentially locks your screen. Okay, so you can see mine is very, very short. So to change that screen timeout period, simply go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to display, tap on that, and then under display, if you scroll, you will see screen timeout. Now it's currently set to 30 seconds, and that's why it's going out really fast. So you can tap on that, and then you can reduce to 15 seconds, even shorter time, or you can increase it to maybe 5 minutes, depending on what you want to do. Now, since I'm making these videos for you guys, I'm just gonna set it at 5 minutes, and that should be good enough for me. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. And if you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Good luck.